Welcome to the tutorial on how to set up a monthly paid employee. So we'll log in with the PIN code 123 and enter. And we go to add employee. Nature of person, we leave as an individual with an ID. And the surname, type in anyone's surname. First two names, one name will do. Initial ID number, just type in sort of legitimate ID number. Passport number we'll leave blank for now. Country of issue blank for now. Date of birth you can highlight and press F5. It will pick it up from the ID number, or you can select the date block and type it in. Country of issue we're going to leave blank for now. Income tax number blank for now. Employee number, highlight and press F4 on your keyboard. It will automatically generate a number, or you can type in any number. The ETI start date is important to leave blank. That's the employer tax incentive. And the known as blank, email blank, the residential address we're not going to fill in now, as well as the postal address. Right, then we'll go to logistical information on top. And where it says date of employment, select the date block. And we are going to say that this person started working on the 1st of January 2019. So select 2019, January, and then the 1st, and click on OK. Leave scheme, leave blank for now. Employee type, if you click on the square on the right hand side, you'll see that the types can be defined there. So we'll select type 1, edit, and make it monthly. And in the same way we can set up weekly or fortnightly paid employees. Then we'll go OK and close, and whatever you set up on the right hand side can be selected from the drop down. Job title we're going to leave blank for now. Designation blank for now. Department we need to select something, and we'll just select department 1 and branch 1. STL leave blank, and the rest you can leave blank for now. Then we'll click on OK in the bottom, and that will take us to the tax period. So this is where we define the tax period. Firstly, the transaction frequency will be monthly. The person started working on the 1st of January. The period employed to is the 28th February, because all tax years obviously end at the end of Feb. The date of the next transaction is when we're going to pay them next. So we'll click on the date block, and we are going to pay them on the 31st of January. So we'll select 2019 January and then the 31st, and OK. And then we click on calculate number of pay periods, and that just the system will work out how many pay slips there are going to be in this tax year, and then OK. Right, the directive options we are advanced options, so we'll get to them at a later stage. Leave them as they are for now, and select OK in the bottom, and that completes tax period. So we'll say close, and the last thing we need to do is set up the person's package, the pay package. So we'll select base package number 3, and they don't work for hours and rates, so we are going to set up the earnings, which will be a fixed salary. So click on earnings and add, and the earning type, click on the drop down, and we'll select base salary, which is what we use for fixed salary. Where it says given amount, we'll put in the amount, say 20,000 Rand, and click on auto IRP5. That brings in the IRP5 code as well as the taxable amount automatically. Then we'll click on OK in the bottom. We're going to set up a very simple package for now, so we can say close, and the company contributions and deductions, the statutory deductions, are done automatically. That is UIF, skills development, and pay as you earn, so we don't need to add them. Then we'll click on close, and that completes a basic setup for an employee. We'll get to the more advanced setup at a later stage. The next tutorial will be about how to do a pay run.